It was a couple years ago when I was working with a health coach and we were talking about different items that I use to cook with, including a grill. It was a high-end, well-known brand name, but the plates were not recommended to use because of potential health issues. And she had said, find a brand that has ceramic coated plates. And that's where GreenPan comes in. Now, over the past 2 years, I've been using another one of their models that I had just sold, and it worked well. It was a 6-in-1. The plates were getting a little harder to clean, but there was a feature that I saw on this. I was like, oh yes, finally. And I'm gonna share that with you. And this one is definitely a great step up. So if you have a GreenPan, then this would be a great step up. It does have color options. This is blue, looks really nice, and it really feels well made. And by the way, if you have used GreenPan, please leave in the comments how it's worked for you. I'm very happy. And again, I love the fact for ceramic plates. And I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section so you can check it out, and it helps support the channel and get more information. It does mention on here, by the way, Toxin-free, our ceramic non-stick is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead and cadmium. Extra tough, diamond infused non-stick for power and performance, easy to clean, wipes and clean, and dishwasher safe. So there you go. Again, nice color options. So first of all, you do get some different plates because you can griddle and grill, and you can do waffles. So you can see you got the two different sided plates. You get two of these for the top and bottom, and you can easily interchange the current plates that are there, which you can see. So you've got these flat ones, and then there's a button on the side here that you press, releases it. And so you can use either way. So if you wanted to have one side one way, you can another. And they've really designed this well. This one here, you just push up, same thing. You can easily swap those around, and then there you go. Now it does feel like it's got a nice coating on this. I could feel the difference. I mean, even the plates, what a difference. Now, to me, by the way, it does have the instruction booklet. To me, this was one of the big sellers to upgrade. So prior, the other grill was only able to lay flat unless I had to use something to hold it up every time I cooked, and sometimes I used my can opener and it would fall off. This has the ability where you can adjust the height, and that's what I actually had that on that older grill. And so this way I don't flatten my burgers. So a nice upgrade there. And then what's also nice is you press this in and you can flatten that out, and then you can cook. And again, you can just change the plates. These grills do, I find, warm up fairly quickly. And when I'm done, I take the plates out and I run them under hot soapy water and let that sit for a little bit, and you're good to go. And then again, you can adjust there. It really feels like a much nicer grill than the one I had. You got little handles there for lifting. On the back, you do have a tray for the grease. So that's a new improvement there as well, where the other one would slide out. So you just push that there you go. Now the cord is not the longest, so do keep that in mind when cooking. So I thought maybe this one would be a little bit longer. I've got a place on the side there where I'll probably put it back, or I guess I could maybe just when I'm cooking, you know, use here, but I think I've got another place in my kitchen which I'll probably use. And the other thing as well, which just wanted to show you, is for all your settings, you have your on off. It's got a sear button. Then you can adjust which side you want. You want the top, do you want the bottom, or both? So you can easily adjust that. And then here we've got the temperature and then the time. So they make it nice and easy to have two different buttons. The other one, it had one button that you'd press, you could turn and then press it again and adjust. So they've really done some nice improvements on this one, and it feels like a heavier, well-made grill. So check it out today. It's really nice. And there you go. And this is what the bottom looks like, where you can also wrap the cord. and look forward to getting great use out of it. And if you have any questions, please do let me know. But I'm excited to start cooking with this one, and I was glad to sell the other one. And people out there are looking for used grills just like I had. So there you go. Have a great day. Enjoy your cooking, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.